If exams are close, but you still can't start, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do today to break the delay and actually move. You wake up and feel that pressure in your chest. You know you should study. You even plan to. But instead, you sit there. You scroll. You clean your desk. You open notes, close them. You tell yourself, I'll start in 10 minutes. Then it's night. And the worst part? You feel guilty the whole day. Not relaxed, not rested, just stuck. If this is you, listen carefully. You're not lazy, you're not broken, and you're not bad at discipline. What's happening is simple. Your brain sees exams as too big, too heavy, and too scary. So it does the only thing it knows how to do to protect you. It delays. Not because you don't care, but because you care too much. Let me show you how to fix this, step by step, without forcing yourself. Stop trying to feel ready. This is the trap. You keep waiting to feel calm, motivated, focused. That feeling never comes. So here's the rule. Start ugly. Start annoyed. Start tired. Not a full study session. Not serious work. Just 2 minutes. Open one page. Read one line. That's it. When I was stuck, I told myself, I'm not studying. I'm just touching the work. That small lie works, because once you touch it, the fear drops. Make the task smaller than your excuses. Right now, your task looks like this. Study for exams. That's why you run away. So we shrink it until it feels stupidly easy. Instead of study biology, do read only the headings of chapter 3, or underline 5 lines, or write 3 messy bullet points. If the task feels too easy, good. That means you'll actually do it. One student I know started by just opening the PDF and closing it. Next day, she read 1 page. A week later, she was studying normally. Tiny starts build real momentum. Remove the silent distraction. This one hurts, but it works. Your phone doesn't distract you with noise. It distracts you with comfort. So don't fight it. Just move it away. Not forever. Just for 20 minutes. Put it in another room, or inside a bag, or under your bed. Tell yourself, I can get it back soon. When it's not in reach, your brain stops checking for it. The room becomes quiet, and starting becomes easier. Use a short, unescapable timer. Not 1 hour, not 50 minutes. That's too scary. Set 12 minutes. That's short enough that your brain doesn't panic. Long enough to make progress. During those 12 minutes, no perfect notes, no rereading, no fixing mistakes. Just move forward badly. When the timer ends, you stop, even if you're in the middle. This builds trust with yourself, and trust makes starting easier tomorrow. End with a small win. Most students finish studying and feel nothing. That's why they hate starting again. So you create a win. After your session, put a tick on paper. Write, done. Stand up and stretch, get water, smile. Yes, seriously. You're teaching your brain. Starting equals relief, not pain. This matters more than hours studied. You don't need to catch up today. You don't need to fix everything. You just need to start once. Starting breaks the delay loop, and once it's broken, things move fast. Delaying is one problem, but staying focused when you finally start, that's a whole different battle. And in the next video, I'll show you how to stop zoning out after 5 minutes without forcing yourself. You've got this. Start ugly.